Today we are going to talk about a tremendous program which is extremely beneficial for BCA and BSc students, which will help them build a remarkable career in one of the top MNCs in India, whereas they can pursue higher education in MTech from one of the premier education institutes of India. Yes, we are talking about WILP program from Wipro. You will not even work with Wipro, earn a handsome stipend, but also get MTech degree from BITS Pilani completely free of cost. In this video, we will talk everything about Wipro's WILP program, whether is it worth joining or not, its advantages, its disadvantages, and one more good news. Wipro WILP is accepting registrations. So you can go ahead and apply. We will show you in this program how to apply as well. So watch this video till end to gain complete insights. Don't skip the video or leave in between to go with half-baked information. This is an extremely important video and once in lifetime opportunity for BCA and BSc students. Hello and welcome back to your own channel Career Swami, which helps you with your career journey. If you like what you see, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive future updates. Also, our Hindi channel Career Swami Hindi is available where we upload career and education related videos every day. So if you are someone who love Hindi and want to enjoy career and education related videos in Hindi, do subscribe to the Hindi channel. Thank you. Also, this same video is available on our Hindi channel in much more detail. You can watch out from the top right section or from the link in the description. What is WILP program? WILP program is Work Integrated Learning Program and it is unique learning integrated platform which offers BCA and BSc students a chance to build a remarkable career in Wipro while pursuing their higher education in MTech from a premier educational institute in India, which is BITS Pilani. The entire program is sponsored by Wipro and is available to you free of cost. Many people are confused between WIMS and WAS program which is offered by Wipro. So here we are going to dig in detail on what are these programs and who should choose what. So both WIMS and WAS are part of WILP program which are started by BITS Pilani and sponsored by Wipro. So if you attend WIMS program, you will be an employee of Wipro Technologies. In WIMS program, the focus will be on system engineering, where low-level architecture along with software development will be taught. So if you are someone who is interested in networking, you should opt for or try to go in WIMS program. Next, let's talk about WASE program. If you get a chance to be a part of WASE program, you will be an employee of Wipro Infotech. Here the focus will be on software engineering. So if you are someone who loves software engineering and programming languages excites you, you should try to go for WASE program. So now you have seen how you can apply. Now let's talk about the advantages of this particular program. Is it worth joining the program or not? The first advantage is that you get master's degree with work experience. Yes, you will get a master's degree along with experience in a project. Classes for masters are held during weekends and during weekdays you can work in the project. So you get practical as well as theoretical knowledge, both of them together. Next is that the curriculum is good and it will definitely help you in the future. Next is that you will get 4 years of work experience along with doing the program. 4 years of work experience in Wipro MNC along with masters is definitely a good deal. Next advantage is that the degree is offered from none other than BITS Pilani. So degree offered is from a good institute. You will get the degree which will have a value and 4 years of experience is definitely worth the wait. Talking about the classes, so classes will be over the weekend. So classes will be either on Saturdays or Sundays, sometimes both of these days depending on the syllabus left. You will have a college-like environment and you will have nice group of friends from all over India. Next is that you will have an option to opt out of the course. If you want to leave this course in between, you can definitely do so. But you need to pay a compensatory amount if you want to leave the program in between. Next is that it's a free course. You don't have to pay anything for your studies. You even get book allowances in each semester. So you don't have to pay anything and you get a stipend while you are doing this course. Such an awesome deal. Next is that it is an open book exam. It's an open book exam but slightly tough. But you will have a psychological advantage is you can carry a book along with you in the exam. And on top of that, the subjects on which you will have to give an exam will be like Unix, DBA, software engineering or testing on which you would have been already working in Wipro. So it should be easier for you to crack those exams. Next advantage is that higher salary and band after you complete the degree. So after you complete the degree, you will be enrolled in the company directly into a higher band and nice salary. It may also be higher than many other BTechs of similar experiences. So if you complete this particular program at one stage of your career, you may be drawing much higher salary than BE BTechs. Why? Because you also hold an MTech degree from one of the premier institutes. Next advantage is on the on-site opportunities part. So if you worked good and worked in a project long enough, you will get easy chance to travel abroad as soon as you complete the program. The other advantage is extremely important for some of the people who also come from humble background. So it is that you will be independent. You will be completely independent from your parents as soon as you join the program. By independent I mean you need not ask any money from your parents. The stipend which is offered can let you survive easily. Next advantage is that the market value which you will obtain after you complete the program will be quite good. You will get handsome offers outside if you try to look out once you complete the course, because you will have 4 years of work experience along with a BITS Pilani MTech degree. You are no more a BCA alone. You possess an MTech degree as well. But as we know that every coin has two faces, every rose has thorns. So there are some disadvantages which everyone should be aware of before opting for this program. Stipend is slightly less, but you will not be dependent on others for your expenses. Initial pay scales are less, not easy to survive in cities like Bangalore, but you have hikes every year, and from second year onwards you should receive a handsome salary. Next is that the full-time course will definitely have more weightage. So if someone would have done a full-time course from BITS Pilani directly, it will carry more weightage than this particular course. Next is that it takes longer duration to acquire this particular course. You get usually an MTech degree can be acquired in 2 years, but here you take 4 years to acquire this degree. 4 years duration is because in a full-time course you are completely dedicated towards that particular course, but since in this particular program you are working full-time as well, so you will have less time to study. That's why it will take 4 years for you to complete this particular program. You may not have a conventional college-like experience, but you will have a degree after 4 years. So if this worries you that it will take around 2 more years to complete a MTech degree program, then you should think otherwise. The last disadvantage which we'll be talking about may be worrying a lot of people. This disadvantage is that it's a very strict schedule program. You will be running on very tight schedule. You will be away from your parents, friends, and home. You will have to do most of the studying on your own. You will have to balance your workload which you will have from your office, do your projects, assignments, and reports. On weekdays, you will be occupied in your office work. On weekends, you will be occupied with your studies. Sometimes your office work may pass on to the weekends. Sometimes your studies may pass on to the weekdays. You will be running with a very tight schedule, and these 4 years will be tough. It's not easy. As we have told, the registrations are open now and you can go ahead and apply. Now we are going to talk about the eligibility criteria and the selection process of WILP program, and also how you can apply. Watch this section carefully to understand the eligibility criteria, selection criteria, and how to apply. So let's talk about the eligibility criteria. First, on the education part, you should be 10th pass, 12th pass, and in graduation you should have 60% or at least 6.0 CGPA score from a recognized university. Your year of passing should be 2020 only. If you are not a 2020 pass out, you will not be allowed. So before 2020, after 2020 is not allowed. Your qualification should be BCA, or if you are BSc, you should be from these eligible streams, which are computer science, information technology, mathematics, statistics, electronics, and physics. Some other important criteria. It is mandatory to have core mathematics is your one subject in graduation. Now this point is extremely important and many people fail to understand. You can have maximum 3 years of education gap, if any, between your 10th and graduation. What that means? That means that it usually takes only 2 years for someone from 10th to enter into graduation. 1 year of gap is allowed. So if you took 1 year of gap for preparing for any competitive exams after your 12th, that should be okay. If you failed in the 12th, that's also okay. But only 1 year gap is permissible. Okay, next is that the education of 10th, 12th and graduation should be from a recognized central state government, and it should be full time. No part-time education will be allowed. Next is that all areas and backlogs should be cleared before the time of selection process. Better to make sure that in your final year you should not have any areas or backlogs. Next is that you should have completed all exams, viva, voice, training, whatever is required, so that there is no pending attendance requirement from the college or university. Why is that required? Because you will be working full time in Wipro and on weekends you will be studying in BITS Pilani. So you cannot have anything pending from your existing graduation program. Next is that you should be an Indian citizen. Even Bhutan and Nepal citizens can also apply. The other one which is very important is, so this program was also started in the month of December, January, February and March 2020. If you applied during that time, you are not eligible to apply again. Now let's talk about the stipend. How much is the money? So in first year you will receive an stipend of 15,500 rupees. Next year you will get 2,000 rupees increment, so your stipend will be 17,550. Again next year you will get around 2,100 rupees increments, so your stipend will be 19,618 rupees. In the final year you will earn a stipend of 23,000 rupees, which will be around 3,500 increase. Okay, so next is on the service agreement. This is extremely important to understand. On joining Wipro, you will be required to sign a service agreement for 60 months. Now 60 months means that 4 years of your college and your MTech program plus one more year. So you need to sign a service agreement for 60 months. You can break the service agreement, but you will have to pay a compensatory amount. Now let's talk about the selection process. So there will be three stages of the selection process. First stage will be online assessment. Next stage will be technical interview and HR interview. Now what's this online assessment about? So online assessment will have aptitude test, which will be verbal, analytical and quantitative, and next will be written communication. So each of these four sections will have 20 questions and you will get 20 minutes for each section. So in total 80 minutes for the entire online assessment. Once you clear the online assessment, you will have to go through technical interview, which will be taken up by Wipro's technical panel and which will be followed by an HR interview. Once you will clear all these three stages, you will be offered from Wipro. Now let's see how you can apply for this particular program. Click on apply button. Once you click on apply button, you will be diverted to the registration page. Follow details extremely carefully. The first section is about your personal details. Enter all your personal details properly. Upload your passport size photo. Do remember this is not Instagram or Facebook, so do upload photo with white background and a proper photo. Next is address details, where you should mention your current address, and in case if your permanent address is different than the current address, do mention that as well. Next, you need to mention about your entire education details. You need to mention 10th, 12th and graduation details along with your percentage, from which school and college you did it, all those details. Next, you need to mention whether you have applied on Wipro before. So choose it honestly, because Wipro has all those details, so you need to be honest about it. Next, you need to choose about if you have any relative or friend working in Wipro. Last is if you have been arrested, prosecuted, so choose it. Okay, the last section is extremely important, which talks about your preferred work locations. Work locations, here you should choose in sequence in which you want to work. So there are three options which are available and you will be allotted work location based on this particular sequence. So I will explain this to you with an example. Let's say you chose preferred work location is Bangalore in your first option. Second, you chose Chennai. The last one, you chose Hyderabad. So what will happen is many candidates apply and many clear. So depending on the availability, you will be offered the work location. Now, if you have opted for Bangalore as your first location, all attempts will be made that you are led to work from Bangalore location. But in case if you are not, then your second work location preference will be looked at and attempts will be made that you get your second preferred work location, and in case you will not be able to get the second preferred, then your third preferred work location will be looked at. So among these three, you will definitely get one work location starting from your preferred location first. At the end, you need to declare that whatever you have written here is true to the knowledge and click on register button. We hope that you would have enjoyed this video. This is an extremely important video and also once in lifetime opportunity for all the BCA and BSc candidates. So go ahead and apply to this particular course. So this program is for those who can do the hard work, have the patience and the perseverance to stick to the course for 5 years. So if you are someone who can do that, this is an awesome program and an awesome opportunity. Do go ahead and do that. We wish and hope that we come out of the current difficult times soon. Thank you for watching and best of luck in what you are doing now or what you would like to do. Friends, we have launched our new book with the title Cracking the Job Interview. This book can convert your rejection to success at job interviews. The book will benefit any present or future job seekers across any industry and domain. The book is available across all countries on Amazon. Also, you can read this book for free by subscribing to Kindle Unlimited Trial. Please check out the description for more details. Thank you once again.